Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new lesson in maths, fractions. So what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. For example, we can see in the picture a circle is divided into 5 equal parts and one part is colored in yellow. When writing a fraction, we put one number above another number with a division bar between them. The number which is written on top is called numerator and the number which is written below is called denominator. The line which divides both the numbers is called fraction bar or division bar. So, in order to write the fraction of the colored part, we will write the number of colored parts in the numerator and the total number of parts the circle is having in the denominator. Therefore, our fraction is 1 upon 5. I will explain you in detail how to write a fraction. Suppose this is a cake. I have divided the cake into two equal parts. I ate one part out of the total two parts. To show how much fraction of cake I have eaten, I will write the total number of parts in the denominator and number of parts of cake eaten in the numerator. So my fraction is 1 upon 2. It is also called as 1 half. Now we will learn about some of the terms used in fractions. They are halves, thirds, fourths or quarters. So now we will learn in detail about halves. When something is divided into two equal parts, we call them halves. We can see in the picture the blue circle is divided into two equal parts. One piece out of total two pieces is one half. What is called as thirds. When something is divided into three equal parts, we call them thirds. One piece out of three total pieces is one third. Two equal pieces out of three total pieces is two thirds. What is called as quarter? When something is divided into four equal parts, it is called fourths or quarters. One piece out of four total pieces is one fourth or one quarter. Two equal pieces out of four total pieces is two fourths or two quarters. Three pieces out of four total pieces is three fourths or three quarters. So I hope you have got a good idea about fractions. Thank you for watching my video.